New 7 inches rugged IP6/5 tablet with Android Auto. Supports 4G LTE with 2G, 3G, 4G capabilities. MT676 to octa-core 2 GHz processor. Iris recognition for advanced security. NFC and RFID for contactless interaction. Fingerprint and Face ID for secure access. 2D barcode scanner for efficient data capture. IC card and ID card support for versatile use. IP65 rating, waterproof, dustproof, crash-proof. Custom hardware and software for tailored solutions, long-term support, and OTA updates. Turnkey solution with MDM support. Contact us 3w.iquil.com.cn